I was shouting inside a small store. People were watching, but I didn't care. "This is my ticket," I said. A man stood in front of me with his phone. On his screen was a photo of the same lottery ticket.
It's mine! I bought it yesterday!
He shouted. The cashier looked lost. Two adults were fighting like children. That morning, I took my ticket to the store to check if it was real. The cashier smiled.
Yes, it's a winner.
My hands were shaking. I was about to cry. Then that man came out of nowhere and said,
No, that's my ticket.
He showed his phone. The photo looked just like my ticket. Same numbers, same red mark. I laughed. Nice try,
No, seriously.
he said.
I dropped it here yesterday.
You dropped it? And somehow it jumped into my bag? I laughed. He crossed his arms.
Maybe you picked it up by mistake.
I rolled my eyes. Or maybe you're just a bad liar. The fight got louder.
Look, I can prove it. I took a photo right after I bought it.
He said. Oh, great. Maybe you also take photos of other people's cars and call them yours too, I said.
Wow, you're unbelievable.
He frowned. The cashier checked the security camera, but the video was blurry. You could see someone buying a ticket, but you couldn't see who it was.
Sorry, I can't tell. You both need to go to the lottery office.
The cashier said. We had to go together, to the same place, with one ticket. In the taxi, we sat far apart. He kept looking out the window. I held the ticket tight in my hand.
You can relax. I won't bite.
He said. Good, because I don't share food or money, I said. He smiled. When we arrived, he tried to open the door for me. Thanks, but I can open doors by myself, I said.
Of course you can.
He whispered. I didn't know why, but his calm voice made me even angrier. At the lottery office, a woman listened to our story. She said we both had proof. They had to check it. It could take a week. She gave us some papers. We had to sign them together. When we finished, she told us to come back next Monday. That week, I tried not to think about him. But I had to go back to the office 2 days later to sign another paper. He was there too. He smiled when he saw me. I pretended not to see him. He walked over with 2 cups of coffee.
Peace offering?
He said. I looked at the cup. The smell was too sweet. Caramel latte, my least favorite. I smiled politely and took it. He doesn't even have good taste in coffee, I thought. He started talking. He said he lost his job last month. He needed the money to start a new life. I was quiet. Then I said, My mom is sick. I need the money for her treatment. We didn't talk for a while after that. The silence felt heavy but soft. Over the next few days, we met again for the investigation. Something started to change. We still argued, but it was different. One day, it started to rain. He shared his umbrella with me. We ran to the office door together, laughing. For a moment, I forgot about the ticket. That night, I couldn't stop thinking about his laugh. Stop it. He's the enemy, I told myself. But my heart didn't care. Finally, Monday came. We walked to the office together. It felt strange, but nice. The woman behind the desk smiled.
I have good news,
She said.
The machine printed 2 tickets with the same number by mistake, so you both win. You'll split the prize.
We looked at each other. For a moment, neither of us spoke. Then he laughed.
Guess we both got lucky.
He said. I laughed too. Maybe. Half lucky. After that, we went to a small cafe. He bought coffee again. This time, it was plain black.
I learned.
He said. We talked for hours.
I was sure you hated me.
He said. I did. But not anymore, I said. He smiled.
So, dinner with my half of the prize?
We'll see, I said with a smile. Months later, my mom was feeling better. I helped her with my share. Ryan opened a small music studio with his. We still met every week. Sometimes we joked about the ticket. This was how my love story started. It began with a fight, but now I have more peace than ever in my life. Have you ever fallen in love after a fight? Comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.